This is Vin.
Me Vin.
I'm his dad, and this is his garden.
Me Dada.
These are our adventures. You know how we've got those seedlings in the garage? And they're getting really big?
Yeah.
So we need somewhere to plant them, okay? Do you know what this is?
Pot.
It is a pot, yeah. Do you know what it goes on? Look! It goes on your new garden.
Yeah.
So we can plant your plants on the wall. Are you excited, Vinny?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, Vinny, so we've got your new garden up on the wall, and it's full of dirt and it's ready. And all of our seedlings here are getting really big, aren't they?
Yeah.
So that's time for them to go into it.
Yes.
Look how big they are, Vinny. Can you give that a squeeze for me?
Yeah.
Good job. Keep squeezing. There we go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, what's up?
So in this one, Vinny, you can see we've actually got a lot of different plants in here. And we don't want to put them all together in a big bunch. We just want to take the biggest couple of them out.
Yeah.
Good work. That'll do the job. Pop it in the hole. Can you help me push the dirt around it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And from this side? Oh, perfect, Vin. That's enough.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. We'll keep going on to the next one. Can you dig me another hole about there?
There. There. Nice hole. There. There. Yeah.
Awesome. Just in here?
Is this in there? Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Nice. That's it.
They do. They look great. Since we planted those plants on the wall,
Yeah.
we've had some pretty dodgy weather, haven't we?
Yeah.
We had very unexpected record highs of 34 degrees, and then the following day we had a state of emergency declared for the amount of rain leading to flooding. So they're not in particularly good shape. They're not dead, but they're not doing very well. So we're really hoping that we're going to have some more mild days and they'll pick back up soon. Alrighty, Vin, did we just plant some more plants?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Yeah.
There's a new one. Some rocket there. And then up top, we've got in with some kale. And up the very top, some more kale. They're looking pretty good, aren't they, Vinny?
Yeah.
Wow, that one's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one's your favourite?
Taste vividly.
The big one. Alright. Cool, and have you watered them?
Yeah.
Awesome, and is it a nice day?
Yeah, nice day.
Is the sun out?
Yeah.
So they've got everything they need?
Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Nice.
Thanks for watching.